How to make a tic-tac-toe with recycled materials. First of all, you're gonna need a ruler, a scissor, an eraser, a pencil, gouache paint, colored markers, a box, and a brush. First, dismantle the box. Draw a square or a rectangle. You can use the ruler. Now it's time to cut out the square or rectangle that you drew. Separate the remaining parts of the box. Next, draw the tic-tac-toe lines. After that, paint the 9 squares. You can use a sponge or a brush. I chose the colors red and yellow, but you can choose any other color you like. Do you remember the remains of the box? They will be used for the pieces of our tic-tac-toe. To make the round shape of the pieces with the letter O, you can use the paint pot. Then, paint the color you prefer. I chose blue. After that, draw the X-shaped pieces. At last, cut out all the pieces of your game. And your tic-tac-toe is ready! I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and give me a like. See you!